Good morning guys, I hope you're all well. So I'm starting off this weekly vlog on a Tuesday just because I wanted to get the week started and get everything rolling for the week and ready. But yeah, we are starting today and I'm just going to take you through my week. It's going to be a very chilled week, but today we are working from home. So I'll take you with me on my work journey from home. I'm just laughing because my roommate is outside the window busy tending to the garden and she looks in her pajamas. It's very interesting. Life is always very fun with a roommate, obviously. Yeah, so just gonna take you through my day. Hopefully it'll be a good and productive day. I'm going to go make some coffee now and then probably write out my to-do list for the day. Okay, so getting this day started, I'm just quickly going to write out my to-do list, see what everything that needs to be done today. It's going to be an interesting day. I am working on quick start stuff this morning, and then this afternoon I'm working on my freelance stuff, which I'm also really excited about. I have a few inquiries that I need to get back to. I need to do some Canva templates, which I will talk to you guys about a little bit later. And then, yeah, let's get on to writing my to-do list for the day. Okay, so I think that everyone has probably heard of Canva. I don't think anyone has been living under a rock. Now, there are some really controversial opinions revolving Canva, and I do agree with some of them, not all of them. I do think that Canva can be really helpful in some aspects, and that some aspects it should just really be avoided. For example, creating logos. I would never recommend creating a logo in Canva. Now, I actually wanted to talk to you guys about being a Canva creator. That is one of my sources of income. Yeah, I have been a part of Canva Creators for about a month now, so I have been testing it out. I have received my first payment. It's not a huge payment, but it definitely does help. I mean, once again, student budgets. So yeah, I'm just trying to find multiple ways to get income, and that has been one of my experiments. But yeah, I actually wanted to talk to you guys a bit about it because when I first started with Canva Creators, I couldn't find much information on the internet revolving it, just because I think it's still such a new concept and they are still testing it out. So I don't think there's a lot of information on it. So I actually just wanted to address it in this vlog. So basically how the process works is you have to apply to be a Canva creator, and they only take in a certain amount of people as far as I know. And you have to send in a portfolio, and you also have to it's like a CV portfolio, and then they obviously look at it and they will say, okay, you are good enough to design for us or not. Yeah, I think they just look at whether you have design skills, whether you actually know how to use the platform, and then I think they look at your personal style and whether it would fit within like the Canva templates. So yeah, basically what Canva creators do is we create the templates that you guys will see if you go to the main page of Canva. We do create all of the templates, it's all us. So we create social media templates, we create CV templates, we create story templates, all of those things we create. And then basically you get paid per export. So you design a template and then it goes through a process. So it will first tell you if there's any mistakes on the template. They are quite strict on making the template really easily editable for people. Obviously, since Canva is for a more beginner design level, it needs to be easy to edit, and that is what we do. So yeah, once it has been checked that it is easy to edit, you put in all of your SEO tags and figure out that it will be seen on the Canva page, and then it goes for approval. And this takes a while, so I usually wait about 2 to 3 weeks for a template to be approved. I do think it has been a little bit delayed because of the holiday times, but yeah, so we definitely do wait a bit, and then you will get an email saying either it has been approved or rejected. And if it's been rejected, you can just go and fix whatever is wrong on it and just send it for approval again. And then you get paid per export that you get from Canva Creators. I'm not entirely sure what that is yet, because when I asked, people said it's like $100 per 3,000 exports, but that hasn't worked out exactly on my side. So I think it does vary from person to person as well. Obviously activity, and then you get paid. So there's different variants. So you can either be like someone clicks on your template and like designs on it, or they just like export it. Or so yeah, if like someone, for instance, exports your template twice, it will only export count as one export because it's one person. So there are just a few things that I'm still figuring out, and that is really complicated, but I will keep you guys updated on how it's going, and if I do figure out how this actually works in the payment and everything. But yeah, they do pay me through PayPal, which as a South African designer is a little bit tough because our banks aren't really, well, how can you say this, they don't really accept PayPal. So the only bank at the moment I think is FNB that you can actually go through. I do have an FNB account, but I am struggling really, like it's a real struggle to link the two. So I am trying to figure out how I'm going to do that. That is actually on my to-do list today, because I have applied and everything, but it's just not coming through. I don't know what's happening. The money is in my PayPal, but I can't use it because it's just lying there and it's not transferred over to a South African bank account yet. So I do think if you are American, it's a lot easier because you can like directly link an American bank account. So I don't know if like how the European people, how that works, but if you do know, please let me know. And if you have any experience with PayPal and FNB and all of those things, please let me know, because it is definitely not an easy thing to figure out. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm now going to continue working for GoStart, and yeah, just finish this day off. Okay, so I am going to go work further at my best friend's house. It is a really hot day in Pretoria today, so we are planning to work in her pool for the rest of the day. Sounds like a very good plan. So we're just gonna have some lunch at her house and then just continue working in her pool. So yeah, I will take you guys along with me, but that is the plan. everyone. It is Wednesday today. I hope you're all having a lovely week so far. So I am currently working in Spaces, which is just like an office block, and just getting some work done. I'm doing some quick started work and then also some freelance work today. So I'm busy with doing some social media designs for our clients, and then I'm also doing a logo design for a podcast, and then we are busy. And then I also, what do I need to get done? Oh, I need to create some Canva templates today. I need to edit this video, and then I also need to figure out this F&B stuff. I did try yesterday, didn't work. Don't really know what I'm doing, to be completely honest with you guys. At this point, I'm thinking I'm just going to go into the bank and just try and figure out how they can help me. Don't really have the confidence because I feel like every time I go to the bank, they never actually know how to help me. So I think we'll just figure that out, and then just having a nice cappuccino and yeah, working. So I will talk to you guys a little bit later again. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about how I create my Canva templates. I will be linking my page down below where you can see all of the templates that I have created, so please go and give them a download. It does help me. But yeah, that's just the process that I'm following. If you guys would like a video specifically on how I design them and the entire process it goes through from design to where it gets published, please let me know. It is really confusing if you are just starting out. So yeah, please let me know, and I will definitely do that. But yeah, so now I'm just going to continue doing some templates for a while. It is super cold in here. It's the middle of summer and I don't know why it's so cold in here. The aircons are just intense. So I'm just drinking another cup of coffee to keep me warm, and yeah, I will just continue working for another bit, and then I'm heading off to my mom's house for coffee with her. And then tonight we have our Bible study group, which I'm really excited for. And then yeah, we're just going to have a chill evening after that. I'm going to make some pizza tonight, I think. I think that should be the plan. That sounds amazing right now. So I will see you guys in a bit. We are off to our photo shoot this morning. Super excited. It's for quick start, and yeah, we're just doing a content photo shoot. So I will see you guys there. I will film some clips there. It is Friday and we have finally made it to the end of the work week. Sorry for being a little bit AWOL yesterday with like all of my talking clips, because I just have something, I don't know, I think it might be tonsillitis, I don't know. Going to the doctor today to figure that out. But yeah, so sorry for not speaking to the camera. I just wanted to give you guys an update while I quickly get ready. So okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. So Yesterday we had our shoot for our company. It was really fun. We went to Spout Coffee in the village. It was really nice, and some of the photos look really good. We haven't received them all yet, but they do look really good. So I'm really excited to get the rest of those. And then we also just went to the office and worked a bit. And then after work, I just continued editing this video for a while. And yeah, it was quite a boring day, to be completely honest. I didn't feel too well, so when I got home, I just took a nap. And yeah, it wasn't a great time. So today we are going to the office again. So I'm excited to just see everyone. It's always really nice working at the office, just because Fridays at the office is always such a vibe. And then somewhere throughout the day I need to go to the doctor. Definitely need to go see a doctor. So I will definitely do that. What else can I tell you guys? I think that's actually it. I don't have anything else interesting to share at the moment. Yeah, we just ate some Burger King last night because I was not in the mood to make food, if I'm being completely honest. Not in the mood. So, ate some Burger King, and then tonight the plan is, if the doctor's like, you're good to go, we will go have a drink with my boyfriend's sister, which is going to be really fun. Yeah, so not much planned, just gonna see what happens throughout the day. Fridays are usually really exciting at the office, so I definitely need to edit this video as well though. I have not edited enough of this video and it needs to go up on Monday, so I definitely need to start editing it. Have the framework ready, but it's not edited all the way, so but I will see you guys a little bit later. There'll probably not be a lot of talking, but see you guys later. Hello you guys, I am back home from work now. I think my friend is actually here. Yes, we're back from work. We're quickly going to do some more work here at home. And I just wanted to end off this vlog saying I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye guys.